Yo, this is another Candy Peaches production. Yo, Candy, where you at? Candy Peaches coming through. Go and like, subscribe to the channel, bruh. Go and like, subscribe to the channel, bruh. Candy Peaches coming through. Yeah. Go and like, subscribe to the channel, bruh. Go and like, subscribe to the channel, bruh. Subscribe to the channel, bruh. Candy Peaches coming through. Yeah. Go and like, subscribe to the channel, bruh. Go and like, subscribe to the channel, bruh. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Peach Kandies, and I have Ty here.
Hey.
And today, you guys, if you can tell by the title, we are going to be piercing Ty nose. So I pierced his ears before. They're both pierced on both sides. So now he wants his nose pierced. I want to tell all my subscribers, thank you for getting to 100 subscribers. You guys, I am so ecstatic. I am happy about this. I'm ready to get to more subscribers, more content. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see. So, as y'all seen before, my last video I put up, it doesn't have too many views, which is okay, you guys. But, you know, go ahead and like, just share, comment, subscribe, do all that. Let me know what y'all want to see. Also, please follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Snapchat. The links are down below. You know, let me know what's going on. So I'm going to try once again, like I said, twice a week to put out a video for you guys of content. And try to make my videos a little bit longer than they normally are. So we're going to try to get a little longer instead of having it short, because as y'all seen in Be Love, she was like, your content got to be a little longer. You got to have a lighter light. And okay, well, we're going to work on it. We're going to get it together, y'all. Okay. So what you need to do when preparing to do somebody's piercing, you need to have some alcohol. Okay, you guys, alcohol. You use a bottle. I just got alcohol wipes, you know, because alcohol slim to get by. So I'm thankful I had these alcohol. And then, okay, it was still, you guys, I threw it away, but I will put a picture of it.
Came in like a silver thing.
It was a little white container, and it had like a dot on the back to let you know that it was sanitized. So when y'all get one, if it has a brown dot, it is sanitized. It had the date on it, the expiration date. So you know for sure, like when you go to get a piercing, it has everything on it. So y'all have to worry about like, oh, is it on there? Is it sanitized? Is it correct? This one was sanitized. So also we ordered some rings. They came like this.
And studs.
So hoops and studs, and I'm gonna show you. It's a lot in here. I don't want to like take them out. To,
it looked like it gave it like double of each hoop for no reason.
There are different ones in here. I don't want to like. So let me see. Maybe I can get a couple out of here. Hold on.
I know which hoop I want to do.
Which hoop you want to do?
Yeah.
Okay, so I had seen one. Different kind of hoop. This one's just a normal one. Can y'all see that? That one. And then let me see another one. I don't want to lose this one. Hold on. There's oh my gosh, let me see. I think I had seen one with a diamond on it.
Ooh, I found the stud I wanted to do.
This is one of the studs. It's a rose. Can y'all see that? That's a rose. And then, see, I'm afraid I'm going to drop these, but I'm going to try to put them on my hand like Ty is, but I think I'll drop these.
I also like this one right here. It look nice. It's three. Yeah.
Then you have this one with one diamond on it.
And they came in these little packs. So, yeah. Couldn't be fun trying to put them back in.
Also, you have this one with a loop on it. See the little ring? Then you have these little I guess like spiral ones.
Ooh, wait, let me see. I think that's that's the one I want.
You see that? There we go. It's like a spiral. And these are silver. I don't know how to open these.
Open what?
These spirals. Oh, okay. So you just, there's like a pinch in them.
There's a gap.
It's a gap. And you put it in there and then you put it back. So basically like one of them openings you have on like your earring or the key ring. Like when you have a keychain and you have the little silver piece, and you open it up and clamp it back. Or your earrings, like when they hang for earrings, those are that too. So I'm gonna put these back in here because I don't want to lose them.
Well, I'm gonna keep this one out.
Which one?
This.
So you want that?
Yeah, for my stud.
Okay, you guys. So, all right, put that there. So, you guys, I'm going to sanitize my hands. We want to stay sanitized when we dealing with people's face, okay? So when you go to pierce somebody's ears, do somebody's hair, pierce their nose, whatever it is, makeup, sanitize your hands. Keep your hands clean. Even before this pandemic, you still sanitize. This is 99.9 hygienically, okay? All right. So, put some Perel on my hands. Perel lube.
Did you say lube?
Not, I didn't mean like that, but
okay.
Sanitize. Okay, we're gonna put our glove on. All right, we're going to
We already
do the alcohol. We're gonna do it again though for you guys. We're gonna use the alcohol swab. So on his nose. Make sure you don't touch nothing else with the hand you're going to use to, and also you guys, make sure you have a marker to mark where you want it at on your nose. I mean, it's going to come off, but this is what you need to use to make sure you're exactly where they at. Let them look and see if that's where they want it at. Here, even ears. When you was a baby and your mom or whenever you seen somebody get a piercing, you mark it. Now, when you do it at home, you might not do it like this. You might be like, whatever, I'm bowing. Pow, pow, your tongue, whatever. Whatever you do that you bout about it, do bout about it. I mean, whatever you want to do. If you bout about it, be bout about it. You know what I'm saying? Just do how you feel. So, we're going to wipe his nose. We're going to disinfect it. And we're going to use this to see where he wants it at. So, oh, I got a mirror. Okay.
I'm just going to use my phone.
All right, so we're going to wipe right here. Because he wants it right here, you guys. On this side, okay? This side. So we're going to wipe it.
My left. Looks like I'm doing like a makeup tutorial.
All right, and we're going to dot it to wherever he wants it. Okay, do your makeup. Do you want
What would this be considered? Concealer?
This right here.
Liner, yeah?
This is eyeliner for you guys.
Even on the nose.
This is...
That would be like powder.
This one here is primer.
I think
Get
that'd
your
be called
face
foundation.
ready. This is primer. Okay. So we have the liner and this can be lip liner too. You know, line your lips, eyebrows, girl. Permanent. You ain't even gotta worry. Just eyebrows. Just
don't go into the pool.
Go up. You know what I'm saying? Okay.
A nice one.
Ooh, mascara. No, don't do that. Y'all don't do that. Don't do that. That's by your eye. Never mind. Don't do that. Don't do that.
But you were talking about eyeliner.
Okay, don't do neither one of them. Maybe eyebrows. Just don't use it on your mouth or nothing like that. This one time.
Smelling good though.
You get high off Sharpies?
No, it smells good. Smell it.
Y'all do not listen. Y'all do not inhale these Sharpies. These Sharpies are not made for you to inhale it. Okay, it's not made for you to. This is not how it's supposed to be done.
You just.
But you ain't even gonna be. What are you smelling for? Are you smell? What is the point?
You never like writing something, and then like you could just smell it.
Yeah, you can
Yeah.
smell it, but I thought you was talking about like you was like smelling each marker. You
No.
gonna open up these are not smelling scent.
No, I'm talking about like it smells.
So what's
good.
the red smell like? Red licorice, black licorice.
Oh, you talking about like you talking about normal ones? No, they all sound the same.
Okay, so you guys, we're gonna mark his face again. Okay, so hold on, where do you want it? Red. There. Oh. Right there. Or down more. Think I need to go down more? I think I need to go down more. Down more?
What's the thing?
Down more? That's too close over? Hold on, let me see.
A little farther back.
Hold on, let me see. Okay, take it out. Where you at? Okay. Dry it off. Right there? I think that's too far back, ain't it?
This would be like how it would be.
That's where you want it?
That's like how I had it that one time.
Okay.
Yeah, that's very good.
Okay. All right, you guys. Because when I do this, this is a one...
We think it's a one-time thing.
I think it's a one-time thing. We was going to try to do it more, but...
We don't know.
We
can rig it. We can rig it.
Let me see how it looks. I think that's too far back.
Okay, so it's like right here, right?
Yeah, but look at his face. Ren, look at his face, Kayla. What y'all think?
Here, so it's gonna be like here.
No, move your hand and let them just look at you.
So it'd be a little further. Cause remember the other one was right here. This one is over here. So it'd be like in the middle then.
Should it be like closer? Should it be like...
Make 3 dots.
You don't want to
pick one
to the end, like here. You don't want it close.
No, it's not close to the end. We talking about where I had the other dot at.
You put it in the middle.
Like here.
Hold on. Let me see. Let me see. You can't touch it. Dang.
It's my own face.
But you gotta keep it sanitized. When you
That's why I
open in
wash
the
my
wound.
hands.
Okay. No, this way.
I turned though.
Okay, right there. How about right there? That's good? That's in between both of them.
I think that's good.
What you think?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all ready, you guys? All right.
I feel like you enjoying this a little more than me.
Hold on. I gotta edit some of this. All right.
Put this down.
I'm nervous.
Ooh. What?
You all right?
Oh my god, I did it.
You all right?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh, you
You okay?
You're good.
You okay? You good?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a little tear. You okay?
Yeah.
I need some.
It was a shock. Oh my god, wow. I did it. I'm so. Oh my
I couldn't hear it. I really.
I heard it.
I did this.
Oh, let me wipe your tear, poo poo. He crying, y'all. He did it like a G. He crying though. Okay.
Yeah, I can feel it. Yeah, it's through. Oh,
Stop brushing it.
Where you put the thing at? Cause
It fell apart, so we can't use it twice.
it fell apart.
Yeah, when I clicked it,
Is it?
The little white piece popped out. Maybe I can find it again, but I think it's one time. Look back. No, what we can do is just order another one. It's okay.
Well, if we can't do this again, we'll order another, and then we'll do this side.
Okay. All right, y'all. He was in tears, y'all.
You like it was fun.
So,
Like right when I opened my eye, I'm like, "It's about to do it," and then you did. I'm like, "Oh."
okay, so. Oh, my bad, y'all. Here it goes. There goes the packaging.
Oh.
Hold on, let me show you guys. Maybe y'all can. Let me see if y'all can focus on the packaging. Oh, hold on. There we go. So I'm gonna show you guys up close of his nose. Hold on. Okay, you guys. So this is Ty piercing up close. So Ty, how do you feel about your piercing?
I love it. But I feel like since I'm so impatient, I couldn't wait. But if you do want a piercing, I say wait to get it professionally done. But if you're impatient like me, I say go for it. Do it at home.
Okay, you guys. Okay, you guys. So thank you for watching this. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. When y'all see my videos, thumbs up my videos, man. Share, subscribe, comment. And I want to thank you guys for watching. I love y'all, my Peach Kandies. Anything you want to say, Ty?
I say go for anything you want to do.
Okay, you guys. I love y'all. See y'all later. Out.
Bye.
Peaches coming through. Yeah. Go and like, subscribe to the channel, bruh.